go.
Glad that you came. Hope we brought you good cheer. Hope you had fun. Steve never pays for his beer. So now it's time to get the fuck out.
Oh no, you didn't say that word.
Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out! Glad that you came. Hope we brought you good cheer. Hope you had fun. No, you didn't pay for that beer. It's okay because it's time to get the fuck out. Now I'll need you to sing along with me. Get the fuck out. There we go. Sing the girl. Get the fuck out. Over here, over here. I'll be you, with you, with you, with you.
She for real, y'all.
At the bar, sing it with me.
Get the fuck out.
Sing it like we're a family.
Get the fuck out. Get the fuck
Your mom
out.
comes and you're not expecting her. Get the fuck out.
Rock it out, Isaiah.
Get
The fuck out.
Your landlord came, you didn't pay the rent.
Get the fuck out.
This is my space, bitch. Get
The fuck out.
I am so happy all of you came.
You flat?
Now get the fuck out.
Deep, 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 deep down in my heart, I wouldn't be able to afford a cab to go down and get my food stamps unless you guys.
Oh, damn.
Can I get half of them at least?